Hello everyone, today we will go through the inbox panel of the BotPenguin. On the left hand side you can see the inbox panel, just click on there and then you will land on this page. Here you can see the first section, that is of chats. Here you can find all the chats of the customer that have interacted with your bot. Let us suppose I click on this contact and here you can find the chat of the user with the bot. Here you can find the visitor profile and all the information that the bot has gathered from. Here you can also add the customized attribute also. Here you can find all the available options from the BotPenguin team. Now we have the order section. Here you can find all the orders that are from the catalog page of the BotPenguin. All the orders that are given from the catalog are displayed here in this table. Then we have a section of contacts. Here you can find the contact details of all the users that interacted with your bot. You can find the phone number, email. You can also assign them a group. You can also assign a status to them. And here you can place a tag for them. You can take these available actions, that is you can call the person or you can delete this contact. You can also copy this details from here and use it further. Then we have a section of groups. In the groups you can create multiple groups for the particular kind of user. Here you can see all the groups are created. There is also a button for creating a group. You can just click on create group and enter the group name and just click on create group and your group will be created. You can also edit the group name. You can download the details from the group and also delete the group from these available buttons. So this was all about the inbox panel of the BotPenguin. Thank you very much.